Hello everybody. Hey, today I'm going to take another look at another toy car. I know this isn't what I usually do on my channel, but not everybody has or wants a 90-mile-an-hour RC car. Some people want one, don't need one. But I'm going to do this. It's coming up on Christmas time. This is another toy RC, and I think it's going to be good. I've seen this on the demo before at a company event, and I thought I'd pick one up and let you see it. This comes from Walmart. I don't know if it can be picked up anywhere else. It's the only place I've ever seen it. I'm going to go charge this thing up, tell you what's in the box, and we'll take a look and see what it does. To say this was easy to open would not be a correct statement. This is what I had to do to get this thing out of the box. Now, listen, there may be a better way to get this out of the box, but, you know, my time off is very limited. My time to do videos is very limited. So this is how I got this out of this box. I'm gonna have to quit buying green cars because I can't use my green screen. But this thing's got some unusual things I want to show you. This is the remote. Of course, it's for kids, so it's got a safety screw in it. It did not come with a screwdriver, but I have a safety screwdriver handy. It did come with 2 AA batteries, but that's not what I wanted to talk about. It did come with an owner's manual. This thing has something I haven't ever seen or noticed on a car. When you open up the battery box, I kept looking for the charger, kept looking for the rechargeable battery because I was under the impression from the box that it was rechargeable. There's a nifty swifty little door right here so that when it's doing a wheelie, you still have a little snake face to look at. That also has a safety screw. When you open it up, the USB cable goes into the batteries. The batteries are permanently installed. Can't see what they are, but you charge them with this USB cable, and then it just rolls up, goes back in. You close the door, put the safety screw back in, and you're ready to go. I'm going to put this on the charger, and in just a little bit, we will see what this thing does. I haven't even turned this thing on yet, so we're going to do this together. It took about probably 30 minutes for the battery to top off from new. I don't know how long it would take it from dead. There is a little switch on the bottom right here. Oh, it makes noise. One other feature I couldn't show very well in the wind is it actually does have a smoke. It's a fire-breathing reptile. I saw some noise things on the control. Ooh, we have exhaust noise. Now let's see. All right. Ooh, torquey little thing. Now we have some blue LED there, blue LED there, flashing blue LEDs. I think when it's running, those are supposed to be solid. This thing's torquey. These are actually rubber tires, so they should be pretty grippy. They feel like a fairly soft rubber. But anyway, let's go see what this does. Has 4 motors in here. And it's kind of cold out here. You saw the ice on the waterfall. So now you saw it twice. Hey, here we go. Wow, kind of a little bit of a wheelie there. So it turns like a tank. Let's see, I think it's supposed to have some kind of self-riding thing or something. Don't know exactly how that works. Maybe it doesn't work if it's all the way upside down. I don't know. Let me try tipping it over and see if we can self-right this thing without tearing it completely up on the concrete. Hey, back off. Well, maybe not. I don't know. I thought it was supposed to self-right some kind of way. And it might on smoother surface. I just don't know. Let's see, let me try this. Wow. There we go.
How'd you do that?
I don't know. Lucky? I don't know. See if it'll climb this curb. No.
Bottom hits that snake on the bottom.
Hey!
I think you're after me.
I think I am. I must be. It's your magnetic personality. All right, I'm having more fun with this than I'm supposed to. And somewhere, I think, I'm supposed to be able to do a wheelie. Maybe it's because there's a crown in the road.
I think this would be fun for bigger kids.
Well, yeah, I guess, because I'm having fun with it.
You're a big kid.
I'm a big kid. I'm a big boy. That's what she said. All right, see if I can get myself out of this mess. Maybe not.
I think when it's on its side, it doesn't want to do it, but when you tip up, it does.
There we go. Okay, I think I got the hang of that rock, and it rocks forward and rights itself much better. Yep. And this, with the bigger tires, is going to handle leaves, and I don't know how it's going to do in the snow. I think it's going to do pretty decent in the snow, because it has a little bit of ground clearance. Don't know. Handles the leaves really well. Well, I think kids can have a little fun with this, and I don't think they're going to tear it up right away. Oh, I must have hit the button. So there's your sound demo. All right. That's got a pretty big cam in it. Oh, one other thing here. When you, see if I can get a wheelie out of it. You got a little snake on the bottom. It seems to have pretty decent battery life. Again, this is for Christmas. I'll get back into doing some RC mods and fast stuff and whatever else, but for now it's Christmas time. You got a kid that's interested in it. I think this would be it was fun for me. I didn't say that out loud, but I think this is going to be a fun one. I think this is a pretty neat little truck. So, you know, let you be the judge. If you know somebody that's wanting to get into RC or just have one around the house in case somebody shows up, this might be a good option. I'm gonna throw my playlist for the 144001 up here, and YouTube's gonna put something down here it thinks you wanna see. I'll catch you in one of those, or I'll catch you down the road.